Hello and welcome to Doherty Library's video tutorials. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to locate consumer reports using your library's resources. Let's get started. So first, we are going to go to the library's website. You can either reach it from the UST homepage by clicking library, or you can just bookmark library.sttom.edu. Either way, we are going to scroll to the middle of the page and we're going to find the link that says find journal titles. So let's go ahead and click that. And then from here, we're going to type in our title of our journal, which is Consumer Reports. And then you have a couple of options down here. If you know the exact title of your journal, you could do match exact words like I did, or you can do starts with, or you can do match any words and it will pull up anything with any of the words in your title. So for now, since I know it's Consumer Reports, I'm going to do match exact words, and then we'll just hit search. So here is my journal. You have a couple of options here. If you only want to see versions that we have with full text, you can go ahead and click View Full Text, and it'll give you a little bit more information. One thing to pay attention to is where it says coverage. If you're looking for the latest issue or a very current issue, it's very important that it says present. See, if we look at the one below, it says that they only have articles from 1996 to 2009. So if the article we're looking for in Consumer Reports doesn't fall within that date range, it's probably not good to use that link. So for now, the one on top looks wonderful, so we'll go ahead and click that. And it will take us to our journal journal. One quick note, if you are trying to do this from off campus, at this point when you click the link, it will ask for your UST ID and password. Just put that in and it'll take you to this exact same page so you have access off campus. So from here, if you're just looking for the current issue, you can go by date, and then this is the most current there is. Or if you know the exact volume number and issue number, you can look that way as well. Or it also has this handy feature where we can hit search within this publication and say I'm looking for the best plant-based milk. So you can go ahead and just type that in here and just hit search. And it'll show all the articles that fit that search. So from here, we can find our article. This one looks great. And then all you have to do is hit PDF full text or HTML, whichever you prefer. And here is our article. So this concludes our tutorial. If you have any questions, you can stop by the reference desk, email, or chat with a librarian at askus.sttom.edu. Happy researching!